Hello, and welcome to Easy English Conversations. Today, our friends Sarah and Ben are talking about their plans for the future. Let's listen in.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, Sarah. And you?
I'm great. I am thinking about my future plans.
Oh, that's interesting. What are you going to do?
Well, first, I am going to visit my family next weekend.
That sounds nice. Where does your family live?
They live in a small town near the mountains. I'm going to take the train on Friday.
Nice. And after that, what are your plans for next month?
Next month, I start a new English class.
Really? That's a good plan. I want to learn a new language too.
Which language are you going to learn?
I think I am going to learn Spanish. But first, I need to find a good teacher.
Good idea. What about work? Are you going to look for a new job?
Yes, I am. I am going to look for a new job next year. I want to be a chef.
A chef? That's wonderful. So you are going to cook food?
Yes, I love cooking. I am going to go to a cooking school first.
That is a great plan for the future. Maybe you will have your own restaurant one day.
Maybe. That is my dream. And you, Sarah, what is your big dream?
My dream is to travel. Next summer, I'm going to go to Italy with my friend.
Wow, Italy. That is exciting. Are you going to see Rome?
Yes, we are going to see Rome and Florence. We are going to eat a lot of pizza and pasta.
That sounds perfect. Well, I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank you, Ben, and good luck with your cooking school.
Thanks. Okay, I need to go now. See you later.
Bye, Ben.
And that was Sarah and Ben talking about their future plans. Did you hear some useful phrases? I am going to visit. I am going to take. I am going to start. I am going to learn.
We use I am going to talk about our plans. It's very common and very useful. Thank you for listening to Easy English Conversations. Practice these phrases and see you next time.